Now, the Karnataka government has suspended several officials, including the Commissioner of Bengaluru Police.
Well, this after a stampede outside Chinnaswamy Stadium killed at least 11 people and injured several more amid celebrations of RCB's maiden IPL title.
Around 250,000 people had gathered outside the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium to celebrate the RCB's maiden IPL title. The situation soon got out of hand and led to a stampede outside the stadium. An FIR has been filed by the Bengaluru Police at Kribon Park Police Station. It cites criminal negligence and has been filed against the RCB franchise, DNA Entertainment Networks, who is the event manager, as well as the Karnataka State Cricket Association.
Well, several senior police officials have been suspended by the Karnataka government, including Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayanand. The Karnataka government has also appointed a one-man commission for the probe. Former High Court Judge Michael Kunha will investigate the incident.
Earlier in the day, the High Court also took suo motu cognizance of the incident and heard the matter. The government has been issued a notice and has been told to formulate new SOPs for the mega events such as this. The Attorney General of Karnataka told the bench that the police were overwhelmed by the crowd and the deaths occurred near the gate. Karnataka government has also ordered a magisterial inquiry into the matter, and the case will be heard again on the 10th of June.
Now, Royal Challengers Bengaluru have announced a 10 lakh rupee compensation for the victims. The franchise has also launched a fund called RCB Cares to support those who have been injured.
India cricket head coach Gautam Gambhir has reacted to the incident for the first time, saying that such celebrations should not be held in the first place.
I was never a believer that we need to have road shows. Never. When I was playing, I had the same statement to make even after winning 2007 that we should not have road shows. I think life of the people are far more important, and I will continue to say that even in future I think we can be a little bit aware of not holding these kind of road shows and can probably have it in a closed door or something like in a stadium. And it is very tragic what happened yesterday, and my heart goes to the family of people who've lost their loved ones, and I hope in future nothing like this can happen, because I think we all are responsible and we all are responsible citizens and we should take care of all this.